How to fix Bluetooth connected but there is no sound. So if you have connected your Bluetooth device, you can simply scroll down and you can open up your Bluetooth. And after opening your Bluetooth, now you can simply tap on pair new device, or if you already have a saved device, then you can simply go for a saved device, or if you don't have that, you can go for pair new device, and then you can simply connect your device. And after connecting your device, you can simply go to the right side, which has that settings icon, and then you can turn on your phone calls and your media audio option and contact sharing option. You can simply turn that on, and after turning all of that on, now you can check your sound. But even after that, if your sound still doesn't appear, then you can simply um, increase your volume button. Like you can simply check your volume button, like if your volume button is turned off, or if your mobile phone is turned on silent mode, then you may have this kind of problem. So check that. And even after checking that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply turn off your Bluetooth, and then you can again turn that on, or you can also simply turn off your Bluetooth device, and then you can again turn it on, and that might fix your problem. And even after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply restart your device. So simply hold on to that power button, and then here on the upper right side you will have a restart option. Tap on restart, and then after restarting your device, you might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.